Hello, in this video I will show you the steps I took to develop the project. First, right here is the Google Doc with my original plan. So I don't know if you remember, but the idea was to create a basic training course for language teachers. In this plan, I've included an overview of the project, the goals for the project, specifications, and here is the work plan. I've accomplished phase 1, the course planning. I allocated the time, place, and resources. Number 2, defining learning objectives. Then 3, defining users and participants. Moving on to phase 2, designing of the course. Number 1, I first thought I could use WordPress to create this project because in the past I've usually used Canvas and I have experience with Canvas, and I just wanted to try something new. However, after trying to use WordPress, and I just decided that I wanted to change. I ended up using Sway. I accomplished step 2 and 3, and I have selected the materials relevant to the course. Number 4 and 5, I skipped these two because Sway is such an easy platform for users to see the content, so they don't really need to have a syllabus up front. And also Sway doesn't allow, or there is not a feature that allows you to create a calendar of activities. I've accomplished number 6. I created modules for this course, and also I've created assessment activities. So I will show you how it looks right now. It's right here. It's called eTools and Language Course Design. It's the second page. I've included a welcome message for users. This is an introduction to the course description. In here, students can see some little cards that with relevant information to the course. Objectives is the next one. Also, I've embedded a Google slide presentation with my bio that students have access to, and they also they are required to talk about themselves. There are some instructions right here. They have to talk about their teaching, training experience, and other elements that are important to get to know them. And I've also added the option that they could create a video or audio and post a link here so everybody can see. The next one is now for the module 1. I've chosen listening skills, so they will be learning about Screencast-O-Matic. First, what is this? What is screencasting? And I move on to the advantages of using it. Right here, I've included the instructions on how to install the software, and I've embedded a video tutorial that students have access to. And also I've included a printable version of instructions so they can see at the end of this information. Right now right here it is the information related to advantages of using this tool in language learning. Here is the first assignment, it's also there, and then the second, Audacity, is the second module that allows students to develop speaking abilities. Again, I have a description of what it is and the advantages of using this tool, and also there is another video tutorial that helps the students to go through the process of installing this tool, and the instructions how to install it. There is also a printable version right here so students can click on it and they can see, step by step how to install the software. And for this one, I have, also outlined the advantages for teaching and learning languages. And, there is an explanations, and then you can see the assignment too. And for this one, they have to read there is an article they have to read, and then they have to create their own authentic materials. I've included a discussion for Audacity about the benefits of podcasting. They have to go to this link and then respond to these questions. So this is how it looks, the final product. One thing that I noticed with this one, with Sway, is that because it's a free version of this tool, I could only use 150 paragraphs. I couldn't do more with this particular project. I would have loved to do more and finish it up, but this is as far as I can get. So thank you very much for your time, and I would love to hear what you think.